back to my channel. I have missed you guys so much, and today I am coming to you with another video. It's gonna be a quick video, not too long. Just gonna show you guys how I do my high puff. It's a quick style, doesn't take too long. You want to just get cute real quick. You really don't feel like doing anything to your hair really. This is your go-to style. And so right now this is a flat twist that I had in my hair, and really this flat twist is giving. It's giving, like literally I can keep my hair like this. And that may be my next video, is I may do a flat twist tutorial, because when I tell you, yes. So let me stop playing. So I'm gonna be doing a high puff tutorial today, and I am going to show you guys what products I'm gonna use. Let's see. And so like I said, flat twist in my hair. Usually when I start off, I like to use like a big comb, so like a wide tooth comb, and I kind of go around the perimeter of my hair and I kind of comb it out a little bit to get it ready for my high puff. So I'm just going around with the wide tooth just to try to get it going up and get it ready for my high puff I'm about to do. And if you see me look over here, it's because my mirror is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so when you get that up, I do use a little bit of water, so I'm gonna use a little water. I don't want to mess up my makeup, so see if this is gonna spray. When I tell you this thing spray, it sprays. Like, okay. Ooh. Okay. Woo. All right. So I got my water, and so today I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel. I usually use the clear one, but I'm almost out of the clear one. So I keep the clear and the green one. So those are the two I use. The other ones, they don't really work for me. The clear is my go-to, but this is like number 2. So I'm gonna put this around, and you just want to kind of put it on the edges, because like when I slick it, you know, I want it to be on point. So you go ahead and lay that in the front, so you go all the way around with the gel. Some people will go ahead and do their puff first and then they'll go around their edges, but I like to put the gel on my hair first, just so it can be like extra sleek. That's just my preference. So just going around, and all right. All right, so I'm almost done. You don't have to do too much, but you want to put like, you know, a pretty good amount, you know what I mean? A pretty good amount. So, all right, so after you go all the way around, you can go in with your brush. I'm gonna just use my Denman brush really quick to go around. Just do that. Like that, and then all right, and I'm gonna use my hard brush and kind of comb it up too. All right, so once you do that, we almost done. All right, so then you can use a shoestring. It's all type of stuff you can use. I usually get like one of these big scrunchies and I'll cut it. So let me see, I want to cut it right here. All right, so I'll cut it like this. And so what I do is, because this scrunchie that I have, it's pretty big. I thought it wasn't gonna have that much pull, but it does. So I'm gonna start in the front, that way I can tie it in the back. All right, so I'm just tightening it again because I want it to stay. All right, okay, there we go. All right, now I'm gonna tie it in the back. Yeah, I think that's gonna work a little bit better. Okay, period. Okay, let me move back a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna adjust, pull my hair, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Now it doesn't have to be perfect right now because I'm gonna perfect it. So, okay, so when you have that how you want it, well, not necessarily how you want it, but close to how you want it, you kind of pull out your hair. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. Okay, I'm gonna be using even edge control, and I'm not gonna do too much, but you know, a little something. So, you know, do a little something. All right, so I'm just gonna do my edges, and all right. It's so hard trying to look in the camera and do it and do your edges at the same time. All right, so I'm just gonna put this edge control on here, and I'll go back and perfect it in a minute. But for right now, I'm just gonna put it on here. And y'all excuse me, I am just trying to lay these edges. I'm just trying to lay these edges. All right. So that's the next step. Lay your edges. Lay your edges however you want. You know, when you do your edges, it just completes the look. And I know my edges, they usually just lay if they want to. It just depends on the day. Today they doing pretty good though. Okay. All right, edges. All right. All right, so after you lay your edges, then next step, tie up your edges. Then you can finish your puff. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my edges up. All right. All right, so I'm gonna tie my edges up and then puff. So, all right, so we pull the puff out, and let me adjust my camera, sorry, so you guys can see. So, all right, so here are my puff. and I pulled it out how I wanted to. So I'm gonna get my pick and I'm gonna go in, pick it out a little bit. Just pick it out. Just play around with it until you get it how you want it to be, you know? While your edges are getting right, just play around with your puff. Get it as high as you want it to be. Shape it the way you want to shape it. Just like that. All right. So once you get your puff how you want it, that's it. Once you take off your scarf, let's see. Yes. Do y'all see? Yes. Yes. Let me make sure this is tucked. Yes. Ooh. There you go. There you have it. A high puff in what, 10 minutes? 10 minutes and you got don't play with her. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, a high puff tutorial, or how I do my high puff. Make sure you stay tuned. I have many more videos to come. Thank you guys for supporting. If you haven't, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.